In this video, I'm going to share my top 7 favorite free AI tools that you can use right now. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go into it right now. Writer.me is the first tool on the list. Is an innovative AI-powered content creation platform that helps people create high-quality content. The application is intended to improve the efficiency and accessibility of the content generation process for organizations, people, and marketers. Writer.me evaluates the user's target audience, tone, and topic using complex algorithms to produce content that is suited to their individual needs. Number 2. Synthesia is a cutting-edge video creation platform that uses AI to make video production quick, simple, and accessible to everyone. Synthesia allows you to make professional-looking videos in minutes without any prior video production expertise or technical skills. All you have to do is give the video text, and Synthesia will handle the rest. The platform has a large selection of AI-generated voices and avatars that you may utilize to bring your script to life. These voices and avatars are highly customizable and can be simply adjusted to match the voice, tone, and style of your brand. The platform also has a number of visual and audio effects, background music, and animation options, allowing you to add a professional and creative touch to your films. In the place number 3 we have Hotpot. Is a powerful and creative AI-powered graphic design tool that allows you to easily generate stunning graphics, images, and text. Hotpot has something for everyone, whether you're a skilled designer or just want to make some graphics for personal use. The platform provides a full set of AI tools that are specifically designed to simplify the creative process and enable users to easily generate outstanding images. Hotpot's AI tool suite ranges from image editing and manipulation to text styling and design. Users can quickly and easily modify the color, brightness, and contrast of photographs, apply filters, and add text and objects to their visuals with these tools. Users can also use the platform's pre-designed templates and themes as a starting point for their own designs. In the place number 4 we have Beautiful AI. Is an advanced AI-powered presentation creation tool that allows users to easily build professional-looking presentations. The platform provides a large range of smart slides that are both visually beautiful and user-friendly. These slides are developed with cutting-edge AI-assisted design technology, ensuring that every presentation created on Beautiful One is both entertaining and compelling. The platform offers numerous customization possibilities, allowing customers to tailor their presentations to their individual requirements. Users may quickly change the colors, fonts, and images in their presentations, as well as include charts, graphs, and other visual aids to assist them deliver their idea. Beautiful. AI also contains a variety of templates and themes for users to use as a starting point for their presentations. Moving on. On the spot number 5 we have Namelix, a sophisticated AI-powered name generator that assists businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals in selecting the best name for their brand. Namelix may assist you in finding a name that is both distinctive and relevant, whether you are beginning a new business, introducing a product, or rebranding an existing organization. The program analyzes your requirements and suggests names that are easy to spell, memorable, and resonate with your target audience using cutting-edge algorithms. In the spot number 6, PFP Maker. This is an easy-to-use and accessible internet application for creating professional profile images. The application has a simple and clear interface that allows users to easily create aesthetically appealing and professional-looking profile photographs. PFP Maker's variety of templates and design elements is one of its most significant features. The platform features a variety of templates that users can use as a starting point for their profile pictures. These templates can also be customized by adding their own images, text, and graphics. PFP Maker features a variety of design components, such as backgrounds, frames, and stickers, that users may use to further modify their profile images in addition to templates. Next on the list, on the spot number 7, Deep Nostalgia, is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that allows you to animate old photographs, giving them new life and bringing them to in unexpected ways. This program uses advanced AI algorithms to animate your photographs, making videos that appear to be taken in real time. The method is simple. Simply upload an image, and Deep Nostalgia will create an animated film for you to share with your friends and family. Last on the list we have Lumen 5, is a powerful AI-based platform that combines the most recent advancements in AI technology with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Regardless of your design skills, Lumen 5 allows you to produce great visual content in only a few minutes. The platform provides a variety of AI-powered design capabilities, such as automatic color palette selection, font animation, and image optimization, that allow users to quickly produce professional-looking visual content. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means the world to me, and we can't wait to share more with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.